So we've been upgrading our strategies, like evaluating what we have been doing and stuff like that. We This is our festival, the major festival of Profit Month, where we actually focus more to make sure we maximize our strategy. This is the last month of the year. This is the last month of the year. So today we will be discussing more of trading and hedging. So I will appreciate you guys if you can join me. Some of you always join here to listen, and at the end of the day, you're not doing something. So if you have not been doing something with your life since January till now, you keep procrastinating. I don't know why you're on internet. To be honest, I don't know why you are on internet. So I'm currently in the office now, and before I get much busy, I said let me use this time to put us through why we change some of our training and webinars in the evening. Was because of we have a lot of clients from other part of the world, so sometimes we check the metrics before we can um, change it. So we will be discussing about gold hedging first, and why we should trade on gold, and one of the reasons why you should do that, to be honest. So I'm checking something here. Let me show you. Since over the years, we'll be funding account for client. We'll be providing capital for client. So on different platforms, we're providing capital for client on different platforms. Let me start from there. So within this weekend, we checked on one of the pro firm we provided capital with, to know the number of clients that are already there. I will share it on our Telegram group later, because I did not do the screenshot. But I don't know if I can be able to do the screenshot here. Okay, let me know. No, if I share the screen here, I will not start sharing every other thing, because it's like what I call our it's like our what do you call it now? Our dashboard. So we try to know how many of you that are still trading, and how many of you that are not trading on it. So we are provided a lot on this particular one. We use about 3 different platforms to provide. The latest one we provided was, is it on Fundedness? Yeah. So we provided capital to how many number of persons? Yeah, on this broker, we provided capital to 27 persons. 27 persons. Yeah, we provided capital to 27 persons here on this broker. 27 persons access our capital. And out of that 27 that accepted that took our capital, let me check. Yeah, out of 27 that took our capital, um, only one person, only one person has $9 in their capital, in their balance. Only one person. The other person, okay, only 2 people have $9 in their in their balance. Other people have all lost their money. Yeah. We didn't. I will share the screen. I don't know if I will share the screenshots on the Telegram so that you guys will see. I will blunt the names so that for privacy. Then you see them. All of them have lost their capital. Um, we have statistics. So when we're making a decision, it's based on statistics. All of them have lost their capital. That's our own money we provided to you. It's not. It's not even that it's your own money. You pay us for training, and we use the money you pay us for training to provide you capital. And we use a different platform, so we paid for the money, but you have all lost it. Yeah. So, and I'm sure you guys have also moved to another platform. Another company we're using to providing capital was 10Trade. We are not their maybe influencer. We are not there. In fact, as a matter of fact, they even chatted us up to know whether we could work for them. But they didn't follow it up anyway, because even if they give us good deal, why not? So the people there too, let me check too. I have also yeah, yeah, only one person. Last week, somebody was on the Zoom with us. She said she has made her first withdrawal. She had made her first withdrawal on, is it fundedness? Yeah, we provide capital for her, I think $15,000 on fundedness. But I have to tell you how we work. It's not that we are perfect. So you don't think we use our own platform to provide those capital. We provide those capital to third party platform. I don't even trade on fundedness or work with them. Yeah, I don't have any platform account. I only trade direct account. Yeah, but now it's only that person that said that she has made her first withdrawal because we've been guiding her to trade and she's been doing perfectly well in trading. So it's only her now that told us that she was able to make her first withdrawal. Yeah. Now, why are we saying this? Then, if you also check this, some of you that are quiet trading your own account, you may also discover that you may be having much degree of losses. Yeah. I always say it open and clear. I'm a business guy. Any business that make people more losses cannot be sustained. Let's just be true to ourselves. If you keep doing business and you keep losing money, there's always a point where you get tired of it. Let's be honest. So I grew more in trading because I assist people make money. So the more I help you make money, the more me too I make money. If you check very well, if I do something or any time my strategy fail, you guys lose money too, I will lose money. So all my own concern is to make sure that people around me keep making money so that I'll be making money. Now we been doing this to make sure we develop or keep improving on strategy that will be sustainable, not where you can jump in and jump out. One of the best strategy you can use in this day of trading the way the big banks trade, the way the big boys trade. Even you're also a big boy. Somebody has about $50,000, is still calling himself a retail trader. No, you're not a retail trader. That money, sometimes people can even use that money to start a brokerage. So you deserve the best. You deserve the best strategy. That is why we come up with a strategy that is very, very sustainable, a strategy that can keep you in the market, strategy that will help you make more profit, strategy that will help you reduce risk, which is the gold hedging. I will encourage every one of you to be part of it. Yeah, if you want something that will work for you. I used to tell you guys, license cannot even give you profit. Sometimes anytime we talk about trading, you people will think of a lot of things in your mind at the same time. Most of these big brokers that are there, they have fantastic technology, and some of them don't even have anything for you. Like they can't even help you make any meaningful risk management decision because of course the market is not structured that well. So gold hedging is one of the best strategies you can use. Yes, this time around to be able to trade and make good amount of profit, manage your risk, and also make money on the both side. So it does not make sense where you keep coming in and you like speculating with your capital, speculating with your money. Imagine about 27 of you guys here now that are, assuming you guys have been trading. Then okay, let me check. Here now we don't have, okay, we don't receive commission here. Our commission is zero. So because we are not working for them, so there's nothing we are receiving here. So let's say we are getting maybe paid from them. 27 people, we also gonna be getting paid. Yeah. We also provided capital from I think InstaForest. I don't want to share the screen because if I share it will show other details. I think with InstaForest, they have a lot of massive database. Yeah, I don't know. I can't be able to filter all of them. If I filter all of them now, I'll be able to know those that are also trading and those that aren't trading because we have more than 100,000 clients there. 100 that's we have massive database. Yeah, I would not promote them, we don't talk about them, but sometimes you can don't even know the people who work with or people who don't work with. But it's not your fault. But if we give you what you want to see and allow you, and what you don't want to see, we don't want you to see them. We're not going to show you. We have a massive database there, massive database. And if I check it now, we provide capital for some of you there. You're trading, but I don't know how successful you guys are. But and if I also check it now, I'm also discover that a large number of you are not doing well. So that is why strategy we have in place now is suitable for you. where you can be able to make good amount of profit, manage your risk, and able to grow to grow. For me, I don't have time or capacity where I'll be telling you something or telling someone something over and over again. The person will be doing the same thing over and over again. Like maybe you come today, I teach you, you trade, then tomorrow you lose money, then come back again for another strategy. I teach you. Me, that's not how I was taught trading. Yeah, person that taught me how to make profit in trading was, or is still alive. He's an experienced trader. He traded with one of the biggest broker then. I think I should be calling the names. Douglas Copy. I saw them last week because they are bank in Switzerland. So he was a chartered banker. He's a chartered banker and an economist. He was also a lecturer of Lagos State University. The University of Lagos, the one the state owns. There's another profile of him that I've tried to remember. Kind of has a very good financial profile. That's when I started making profit. And we didn't learn from losing money. Let me just be honest to you. We didn't learn from losing money. I we started trading and it was me that was struggling to make profit because fear couldn't allow me to stay in the market. But him, when you close his trade after I've left, he called me and tell me how much he gained from that trade. That is the realm we all of us should be operating. How much you make in the trade. I said, wow, I didn't know that you're gonna make that kind of money. I was afraid I could not, start like join you. So the man was making a lot of money. That was the first man I saw that managed fund. I said, this money that I can't, the trade that people are afraid to trade. You are a managing fund, and he was managing fund from a lot of people, and he also helped me to set up one of my first fund management system. Then, yeah. So I'm trying to tell you that people are doing well in trading. Yeah, people are actually doing well. So depending on who taught you and how you learn trading. So I have some people on the Zoom. I think there are people who we are teaching. I have Oluwatobi. I have Cynthia. I know Cynthia. Anthony Ede. You look familiar to me too. Yeah. So good morning, everyone. Now, just like as I'm telling you now, I have a good portfolio here. As I speak to you now, it has gained. Can I share the screen on Telegram? There's no way to share screen here. Okay, I think I can rotate it. Look at it here. As I spoke to you this morning, it has gained $15. I'm not trading, just like that. $15. Look at it. Yeah. So those of you on my Zoom, let me show you. And because of gold has gone up today, 0.0. Gold has gone up today 0.37%. Yeah. Let me share it to you. Let me share it with you. Or if you're on the stream, you can also ask to join me in the room because I'm also streaming on the room, inside the room. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. So I think you guys can see it now, right? Yeah, you can see it. I would like to talk to any of you. Probably you may be in the office. So just like that, that is $15 profit without you trading today. And this is how the platform works, where you could be able to diversify our portfolios. Where you'll be able to have an account being traded on MT5 with your own broker or with the brokers we are using. Then the part of the money will be on your part of the money will be on your gold hedging account. Then part of the money, which is of course on your MT5, will now go into your hedging. Do you understand? We're not going to your hedging, and the remaining one will be on your as equity. on your trading account. Yeah. So this is a superior strategy. As I speak to you now, I'm going to have a meeting now with one of the biggest broker I know in Dubai. So I'm just waiting for that time. I think the other one sending me a message, but that's why I wanted to make this meeting early in the morning before we continue. Yeah. So why the meeting? Because of this strategy. So we need to, like, when we see what is profitable and beneficial for us, we will need to join hand in it, where you can be able to hedge your asset classes on gold and able to make money when the price is going up and when the price uh, is coming down, if you are holding it on CFD, and you make good amount of money. So this is the first area we're going to be treated this morning. Then we now are also able to check the gold market. As I speak to you, I've checked the gold market this morning. It's actually going much well as we expected. We expected 140 pips, and we got 140 pips last week. And as I speak to you now, it's still very much doing okay. And so this week is bullish. We also expected a very good bullish on Euro USD, and it has got. We have also hit our target on Euro USD. We expected the same target on the 10-pound USD. We have also hit the target. We didn't have any expectation on Japanese yen. We expected the same fate on oil. Oil is doing perfectly well now. So we are. I think I should be on negative by now. Yeah. So I should be on positive by now. I must have entered positive. So these are the things. So guys, uh, to talk to me, how do we get started from here? Let me go back to the Zoom. So I want all of us to be able to participate in the gold hedging, so that we can be able to be sustainable and last in trading, instead of being very much um, should I say speculating or speculative? Like, instead of just trading the same way all everybody's trading, there's no need doing the same thing over and over, over and over all the time, and you're expecting like a kind of a different result. For me, it doesn't make sense. So um, let me know if I could take your questions, please, before I proceed. Good morning. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. 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 You are hedging on gold since last month. So which one link up with each other? Mm-hmm. 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 Okay. Okay. It was not reflecting on your dashboard. Mm-hmm. But now, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. I got you now. Sorry. So, so what I'm saying is that you could be able to see the hedging portal where everything is being reflected. You could see the performances. You could see how it's going, right? Yeah. Like, can you see my screen? Yeah. Like, I was speaking to them yesterday. Was it no on Saturday? No, it was yesterday night. So I told they are working on something here. If you see my screen now, they work on something that so that when you log in on your MT5, you'll be able to see the balance you have on MT5 here. Do you understand? I mean, sorry, when you're logging on your platform, depending on the platform, because some of these brokers are not using one platform. Yeah, so you'll be able to see everything here. But of course, this is a portal. It's not that you're going to thread here, but it will really help you to, of course, you know what I mean, so that you could be seeing everything. Because of the system of hedging strategy is to make you flexible. Let's say you're trading and you have up to maybe for $1,000 now, your account that hits $5,000 account. You know what I mean? So you may, instead of using stop loss to put some of them on stop loss, then you could move maybe $2,000 back to hedging. So it could just quickly swap. You know what I mean? Now, that is where you see this option here, request for gold hedging. Here, now you see this option here is to allow you to request because you're already trading. Maybe your account just hits strong take profit, and you don't use stop loss. Which I told you guys, stop loss cannot. Cannot be like, I don't know how to say it now. Stop loss cannot prevent us from losing our capital. Has it ever prevented us from losing capital? Those of you that have been trading for before you join me, has stop loss prevented you from losing capital before? Yeah, yeah. Somebody said no. Yeah, no matter what. So the only thing that can prevent you is to trade the same way the banks, the big boys, the hedge companies, all the companies, the way they're doing it. That's the only thing that can prevent you from it. Otherwise, if you keep doing the same thing, thinking that you're gonna escape through, it's just like intermittent travel. So now, that is the essence of this thing now, to make sure we can be more flexible and have a sustainable strategy. Since I work on the side of traders more than side of brokers, so I have to make sure we have a system that can protect you guys and keep you in the market and keep you making profit. So Anthony, so with time now, you may be able to see those things here, and you can be able to, maybe be on the same platform. I'm glad that I think it's working for you, right? Are you using your phone? How do, uh-huh. No. Okay, go ahead. No, no, no. Just click on open account here. Don't click here. Here is a platform. Let's say you want to log into MT5 or WebTrader or any platform that you want to trade on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. For your information, this platform is designed for hedging, where brokers are doing their stuff and exchange, they are doing their stuff there. So everything is connected. Do you understand? So now, so just click here, then it will take you to where you will log in. Why, if you want to access the platform, your MT5 or WebTrader, then you could be able to click on login to trading platform. Or, of course, some of us already have the app, the MT5 platform on our phone or laptop. So you could just open it here. Then on the side of being on internet, or on the side of being on internet, on the web, is now, when you want to make transaction, because sometimes on MT5 you can't be able to hedge directly from there because MT5 didn't build their system for that. But now on the portal here now, when I'm sharing with you, I can be able to hedge from here to MT5 or MT5 back to here through the API, or if I here to WebTrader or WebTrader back to here. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell you now. Yes, so you can move money from a trading account. You can move money from a trading account to you can move on from a trading account to gold hedging. That's why I told you. Look at how it works. When you say request for gold hedging, this option here is option designed for account that's already trading. Account that's already trading. Then you could now move. You have made profit, but you don't want it to go back to the market. Then and you want it to be on gold hedging where you make more money too. Then you could now like request for gold hedging to move that money back to gold, physical, back to the same gold we trade on CFD. But now it become like the main gold, so that it will hedge there while you're trading. So that is why you have this gold request for gold hedging, moving fund from trading account to the gold. Do you understand? Now, let's say the gold has also gone up, you're making profit, or you have seen another potential opportunity that will multiply your profit. See if they multiply profit. Then you can move money from this gold hedging from your account back to gold. From your portfolio, from your trading account, the money you have here, you can move it back to your trading account. Yeah, hedging is the only way that prevents risk or account liquidation, and that's also one of the ways the big companies trade and manage their fund. All the people you see on Bloomberg, you celebrate them, blah blah blah. They are not losing the way we are losing, and they're not trading only CFD. Go and do your research. I'm not telling you now. I'm just making general statement. You guys should go and do your research. You need to learn. You need to go and meet people who work on finance. Ask them which instrument do you trade. How do you trade it? Is it this MT5 I'm using? You guys are using. You just have to ask those questions. They will show you evidence. Oh, okay. That means I'm just playing on. Okay. So you need to be able to balance it. They are big in CFD. I'm not saying that they're not doing CFD, but they are like, like collaborating or like they are diversifying with other asset classes. Someone asked me, is it with, I don't have to mention the name of brokers, but let me see mention it if I'm on live. Somebody said, please, I'm confused. Does it work? This platform is not in partnership with SNS. It can work with any broker, but it cannot work with all the brokers because every broker is different. It's not in partnership. So if SNS maybe reach out to them and they maybe want to collaborate with them and want their client to use them to hedge, fine. Of course, they'll still allow them to connect. It's for the general financial market. Yeah, somebody say good day, sir. Please, can you talk? Okay. I think I've spoken to you before. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Uh, you didn't join late. It's just the summary of it is that we have a system that allow you to hedge your account with physical gold that prevents you from losing your entire capital on a volatile market. Yeah, so people who trade with us, if they use that same system, it will be difficult for them to lose capital. And at the same time, when we call for trading, they can be able to quickly jump into the trading and they trade their own CFD for high profit while they are hedging a part of their money on physical gold. Do, do you understand? Yeah, so it is also available. It is also available on YouTube. It's available on YouTube.